Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited accounts on PowerPoint app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited accounts on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.